Hello everyone, so this afternoon I'll be talking about SchoolServer, and this SchoolServer is going to be a desktop app. So this time I'm not going to open my Chrome browser to talk about websites, but this SchoolServer can be linked to a website, which I will talk about in a future video. But I'm going to talk about this SchoolServer on a low budget scale. It's free to use, so you could try it out on your desktop computer, as your laptop, Windows version, any Windows version, be it Windows SP if you still use that operating system, 7, 8, 8.1, Windows 10, and even Windows 11. So it works. I'm currently using Windows 11 now, so which means it works even in the recent version, which is the latest version, and it also works on the older versions, even to the least old version. So now this is this app here, SchoolServer. So this is the app. I've already installed the app on my system. So this video is not about installing a software generally. So since I've installed this SchoolServer, it's an easy software for you to install. As usual, everything you install on the system is always going to be yes, unless you have the time to read instructions, some long instructions. If you have the time to read it, you could go through them, but most times for easy quick access is yes, we all generally do. So now for the SchoolServer, I've already installed the app. So if you want to learn how to install the app on your own system, if I share the app to you, I'll do that in some other videos, but I've already installed the app on my system. But I'm going to be doing a fresh installation on a SchoolServer management system, as if you are going to do it for yourself or you are going to do it for a school. So you could take this software and use for your schools, your brands, your companies that are related to school. So this is a school management system, a school portal. But the good thing about this software is that you don't need to have internet connection. That it works offline. So even if you're in a place like, let's say, some villages, some remote villages that doesn't have good internet infrastructure, sometimes I do face it where I am. Sometimes when I go for some work, some field jobs, there may be no good internet connections, and so this app is perfect if you're in a low budget school and if you plan to run your school management system offline. You can also run an online version if you're interested in an online version which needs a website. You could integrate payment systems, you could integrate result checker, and so much more on this platform. So I'm going to talk about SchoolServer. I've already installed the app. So I'm opening the app right now. I'm going to wait for the app to load. So this is an offline app. So this is fresh installation. So the second button here, which shows this fresh installation of SchoolServer, which is already marked. I can click proceed, but I don't want to proceed like that. Just want to explain some step. So this is restore from cloned server file. So let's say you lost or you change your PC, and so you want to kind of restore some former information you have. You can use this other button down below. So, but I'm not installing anything from an old system or a lost system, or you want to move from one system to another. So taking that this SchoolServer works on individual systems. So if I install it on this system, if I want to use it for a school management processes, I need to move all my works to this system so that I can install, I can impute and put data on this system. So if you want to continue in another system, that's when you need to use this restore from clone server. So you just copy the files, the backup files from this system to a new system. So that's the purpose of this button. But for the purpose of this video, I'm trying to create a fresh installation of SchoolServer. So I'm going to click proceed. So I'll click, you can read if you want to read. For time purpose, I'll click proceed. So it says, please ensure that you carefully fill all information about your school correctly, because it is required for the effective use of SchoolServer. So I know some person may be wondering, why is it that I have my internet on and I'm using SchoolServer? My internet can go off, but I'm using it offline. So this doesn't require internet. So I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click proceed. And so that's open the dashboard. Now I can get to put the full name of the school, the location address, the states. I get to put the logo. I get to put official email. I get to put official website URL. So your website may not really be having the software of the school management system yet, but if you have a website, a pre-existing website, you can link it to this. If you have, you can see showing if any. If you don't have official email, no problem. Official emails are customized emails that are linked to a website. So if you don't have any official website, you can skip this, if any. So you can proceed. You put your full school name, you put the location, you put the states, and you put this, if any, motto or watchword, if any. You put your contact phone number and you click proceed. It's going to send you to the main interface of the school server. And so this works completely free. If you want to keep on using this platform for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, whatever the time frame, is going to be free. If you need this software, please, you see the link in the description below. You click on that link, you see a WhatsApp contact. If you don't see a WhatsApp contact, you see a WhatsApp link. Please click on that and you'll be referred to my WhatsApp contact, and I'll send you the software link immediately for you to download and use on your system completely for free. There's nothing like if you want to continue using this, is there going to be some restrictions? No. It's only when you need an online interface that you need to get to pay for the software. But if you want to continue using this desktop application for life, it's completely free. So you know the privilege of having a website, you know the privilege of being online. So parents get to check the results and lots more of the school management system. They get to pay school fees online and do so. But if you want to manage everything on a low budget and you want to do it on your desktop only and offline and on a personal system, you could even do it on multiple systems. If you are good at networking, if you know how to do networking, you could use it on multiple systems. But if you are wanting to just use it on this main system and offline, this software is for you. If you want more features of online integration, which involves being online and you spend data, you could afford data for your school, and you want parents to be aware of their own portal, check result and do stuff like that. There are even more benefits also on the web versions. Parents, you get to charge them and you get to make much money from the online one. But if you want to use this and test run and see how it works and see everything, it works completely free and fine. So thank you. Try this out and see your school grow from one level to another. Thank you.